So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Meekah!
Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Hi, and I'm Meekah. And today we're at the Color Factory.
In New York City, New York.
That's right. There's so many colorful things here, and you get to take pictures.
Ooh, and maybe we can learn about colors we've never seen or heard of before.
That would be awesome. Let's check it out.
Come on. Whoa!
Oh, check out this colorful ceiling.
Yeah.
And,
so
I
many
think it's
colors.
made out of paper. Did you feel it?
Oh, yeah. It is made out of paper.
Wow.
Whoa.
It's like a ton of colorful, beautiful bookmarks.
Ooh, yeah.
What do you think it looks like?
Maybe it looks like hair.
Whoa. That would be really fun to have rainbow colorful hair.
Yeah. Oh, Meekah, can you find your favorite color? Or one of them?
Oh, I see yellow over here.
Whoa, look.
Woo!
Whoa. Hey, and look, it's right next to orange.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, let's keep exploring.
Let's go.
Whoa. This place is so cool.
Yeah, it's so colorful.
Yeah. Hey, what is this? It says, welcome to Color Factory. Start. Okay. Oh, I get a little card with a smiley face on it. And there's a QR code on the back. Let's scan it here. Oh, we get to use this to take fun pictures. Ooh, that's so cool. Where's Blippi? Blippi? Do you see Blippi?
Surprise!
What are you doing?
Ooh, well, I found these macaroons. Chef Blippi at your service.
Oh, macaroons! Look, they're moving.
Yeah, it looks like they're on a macaroon train.
Yeah.
Choo-choo!
Wow, this is so fun.
What color would you like?
Oh, let's see. There's a lot of colors. It means a lot of flavors, I bet, too. Oh, I like that bright pink one.
Ooh.
One pink macaroon, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. And that orange one there, please.
Whoa, okay.
Oh, thank you so much. And the green one there.
Ooh, a green macaroon.
Thank you. I'll eat those later.
I think I'm gonna eat this blue one.
Oh.
It looks so tasty.
I wonder what flavor the blue macaroon is.
Let's see.
Tastes like
Blueberry!
Well, enjoy. Oh, hey, I see something over here. I think I can use my ticket. It says, scan here. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, we get to get a picture.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, cheese. Awesome.
That was a good picture.
Yeah, nice.
Whoa!
Whoa, let's check out this room.
Come on.
Blippi, look at this hallway.
Whoa, it's so colorful.
So colorful. And look over here.
Oh,
What are these?
I don't know. Oh,
Hey,
it's a button.
that's right. And it sticks to the wall because it's magnetic.
Whoa, what's magnetic mean?
When something's magnetic, that means that one piece of metal pulls another piece of metal towards itself.
Whoa, it's like they're really sticky.
Yeah, you've probably seen magnets before on your refrigerator.
That's fun.
Yeah.
Whoa, and look at this. Whoa, uh-oh. Look, I can take one from this color and switch it with this one. Whoa.
Oh, that looks cool.
Ooh, let's keep picking out colors. Whoa.
Oh, Blippi, I see one of my favorite colors.
Whoa.
Yellow. Ooh. Yellow is a primary color.
Ooh, what's that mean?
That means that there are not any colors combined to make yellow.
Wait a minute. You mean some colors you can make by mixing up other colors?
That's right. Oh, I'll show you. I see one of your favorite colors over there.
Me too. Whoa, look. It's the color orange.
Yeah.
Whoa, check it out. Oh, Meekah, what two colors make up orange?
Yellow
Yeah.
and over here, I see red.
Whoa! check it out. Yeah, to make orange, you need yellow.
And red.
And then they mix together and make orange.
Exactly.
Ooh, I love orange. It's so bright and fun.
Oh, I like this bright and fun color. Whoa, it's bright pink.
I wonder how you make pink.
Oh, you take red.
And white.
Yep, mix it together, and you'll get pink.
Pink.
Oh, one of my other favorite colors, purple.
Ooh, purple.
Oh, how do I look? Am I matching?
Oh, you match. You look so good.
Oh, thank you.
Can I guess what two colors make up purple?
Oh, sure.
Well, purple's kind of, maybe red?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, and let's try mixing red with blue.
Okay, ready?
Whoa!
Purple.
Purple! Yeah! Red and blue make purple!
That's another one of my favorite colors.
Whoa!
Hey, let's go find some other colors.
Okay! Whoa!
Wow, another colorful room.
Whoa, what's this?
Oh, this is a mallet. You use it to play instruments.
Yeah!
You want to try?
Yeah! Whoa!
Whoa, nice.
Yeah, look at this one. Whoa, that's low.
Yep.
Whoa, that's pretty high.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, let's play some music together.
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh. Ooh.
Wow.
Whoa, this room is so colorful.
This is so cool. There's confetti everywhere.
Yeah, where's it coming from?
It's even, oh, look up.
It's raining from the ceiling.
This might be one of my favorite rooms.
Yeah, me too. Oh, do you know what confetti is? Yeah, look. Ooh, it's little pieces of paper that you throw in the air.
Yeah, usually for a celebration.
Whoa! Or a surprise!
Yeah, or a confetti party.
Confetti party! Woo!
Woo! It's like a confetti shower.
Hey, Meekah, let's make the biggest confetti shower ever!
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Whoa! Okay.
Ready?
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! That's a lot of confetti.
Hey,
What's that?
there's another scan here box.
Oh.
Oh, I can use our little, some confetti in there. Okay, let's scan it. There's a camera. We can get another picture.
Okay. Here we go. 2. Uh-oh.
Wow. That's gonna be a fun picture.
Whoa!
Hey, Blippi. We can make confetti angels.
Whoa, no way, look.
Yeah, this place is so much fun. I wonder what else is here.
Let's go find out.
What? A wall of headphones?
Headphones? What are those doing there?
Oh, I don't know. Here, you want to try?
Sure. Whoa, Meekah, try them on.
Ooh, fun music.
Yeah.
Oh, I know what this is. It's a silent disco or a silent dance party.
Yeah, I love dance parties.
Yeah, the only way you can hear the music at the dance party is if you're wearing these headphones. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
You want to hear? Okay, here. Fun, right? Wow.
Yeah, I like this song.
Yeah, should we dance?
Yeah, let's have a dance party.
Wow, Ooh.
Let's go and dance to the Blippi bebop. Let's get moving and grooving and jumping up. Let's shake it all out and see.
Another scan here box.
Whoa, let's take a picture.
Says get ready.
Okay.
Nice.
Whoa, good picture.
Wow, Blippi.
Whoa.
This is such an interesting looking room.
Yeah, it's also really colorful.
Yeah. Oh, it kind of looks like a desk.
Yeah.
There's some paper here.
Yeah.
And
Colored pencils?
yeah. Oh, and there's rooms on the other side too.
Ooh, I wonder what we do here.
Well, it says observe the person sitting across from you. Oh, you should sit on the other side and we can observe each other. And maybe we can sketch each other too.
Yeah, that'll be really fun.
Yeah.
It's like a coloring game.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, I'll see you on the other side.
See you soon. Oh, Blippi.
Oh,
Right here.
hi, Meekah.
I thought you would like the blue and orange tables.
Thanks. I do.
Okay, so make sure you have a pencil and make sure it's nice and sharp.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is a pencil sharpener. You put the pencil inside like this, and it sharpens. Isn't that cool?
Oh, that's really cool.
Yep, nice and sharp.
Ooh.
Okay, so it says, observe the person sitting across from you. What colors do you see in your partner's eyes, hair, clothes, or accessories?
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna color this brown because Blippi has brown eyes.
Whoa. No way, Meekah. I'm coloring it brown because you have brown eyes. Oh, we have the same color eyes.
The next one says, oh, this is easy. It says, guess their favorite colors.
Hey, can you guess our favorite colors? Okay. I think that's a good guess.
Okay, if I had to guess, I would guess that your favorite colors are red and... I'm just kidding. I know that Blippi's favorite colors are orange and blue.
Whoa! Yeah, you're right. Those are my two favorite colors. Good guess, too. If I were to guess, I would guess that Meekah's favorite colors are green. Just kidding. Purple and yellow.
You got it. Those are my two favorite colors.
Yeah. And I see their cards over here.
Yeah, let's see. This says, you deserve a blue ribbon. Oh, that's so nice. A blue ribbon is usually a first prize, something that you would get if you won something or you did really well at something, you get a blue ribbon. So this is a compliment.
Ooh.
What does yours say?
Ooh, this is also a compliment. Yeah. It says, you're the zest to my orange. Yeah. The zest is a really good part of the orange. Yeah. You can put it on food. Ooh, it means you're really special.
Oh, and on the other side, it's blank. So I'm gonna write a compliment for you, Blippi.
Oh, okay. I'll write a compliment to you too, Meekah.
Okay. A compliment is something nice you say about another person. Okay.
Okay. Should I give you my card?
Yeah, I have something for you.
Okay.
Meekah is very good at making me smile. That is so sweet, Blippi. Thank you.
Whoa, and Meekah wrote, you are a great dancer. Oh, that's such a nice thing to say.
Aw, this was such a fun game. I wonder what else is here.
Ooh, let's go find out.
All right, come on.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Oh!
Whoa.
Wow, this is a giant blue ball pit.
Yeah, it's so big.
I know. Ooh, let's play in it.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Woo. Hey,
Whoa.
it's kind of like a snow angel.
Hey, yeah! Whoa! Watch this, Blippi. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Oh, hey, Meekah, look. There's a camera on the ceiling.
We can take another photo.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, that's gonna be a really silly one.
Yeah, that's good.
Whoa.
Whoa. Meekah?
Yeah.
How do we get out of here?
Oh, over there. Over there, over there.
Oh, yeah, over there. Okay. Whew. Here we go.
We did it!
We made it
Yeah.
out of the ball pit.
Whoa, there's a window over here.
Ooh.
And it says, surprise.
Oh, Meekah, I love surprises.
Me too. It looks like we get to pick one of these toys.
Ooh.
What are you gonna pick?
I don't know. Which toy do you want?
Oh, look at this.
Oh, no way. Look,
Yep.
it's a cup, but then it gets really tiny.
Yeah, and it would fit really nice in my bag. I think I'm gonna take this cup.
Yeah. Oh, oh, look at this.
Oh, a silly straw.
Yeah. So silly. Whoa, and it has a little face. Hello.
Aw.
I think I'll take the straw.
Hey, Blippi, we should go check out all of our photos from today.
Yeah, we took so many.
Yeah, let's do it. All of these photos are so amazing. I put them all in my journal.
Yeah, I had such a fun day with you. Oh, Meekah, how many photos did we get?
Oh, let's count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, 4 photos.
Yeah. What a blast at the Color Factory, right?
Yeah, we learned so much, like primary and secondary colors,
Yeah.
and had a lot of fun with confetti.
Yeah. Oh, and we had a dance party.
Woohoo,
Such
yeah.
a good day.
And it was great to end it with a sweet treat and a surprise. Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of our videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with us? Okay, here we go. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, good job.
Will you spell my name with us? Cool.
M-E-E-K-A-H.
Meekah.
Well, we'll see you soon.
All right, see you next time.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Meekah, Meekah. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.